Are you considering installing a solar panel? Here are some important points to keep in mind. Firstly, choose a location that receives direct sunlight and is free from any shadows. This will ensure maximum efficiency for your solar panel. Next, make sure to install the solar panel facing south and at an inclination of 25-30 degrees. This will optimize its performance and energy output. When selecting a solar panel, pay attention to its quality and efficiency. Investing in a high-quality panel will ensure long-term benefits and cost savings. It is also crucial to choose the right inverter, based on the capacity of your solar panel and your power needs. This will ensure smooth conversion of solar energy into usable electricity. When doing the wiring and connection, proceed with caution and prioritize safety. It is important to hire a professional to ensure a safe and reliable installation. Regular maintenance is key. Keep your solar panel clean and dry to maximize its effectiveness and lifespan. Obtaining permission from local government authorities is essential before installing your solar panel. Be sure to follow the necessary regulations and guidelines. Pay attention to the warranty and guarantee offered for both the solar panel and the inverter. This will provide you with peace of mind and protection in case of any issues. Selecting an experienced and reliable company to install your solar panel is crucial. A reputable company will ensure a smooth installation process and provide reliable customer service. Lastly, consider your budget and the overall cost of installing solar panels. Ensure that it is financially viable for you and offers long-term cost savings. By keeping these points in mind, you can make an informed decision and enjoy the benefits of solar energy for years to come.